Hi guys! Today we will learn how to create a split screen video in Inshot. This effect looks really professional and is great for reels, edits, and comparison videos. So let's start step by step in the easiest way. First, unlock your phone. Now find the Inshot app and tap on it to open it. If it takes a second to load, that's normal, so just wait for the app to fully open. Once it opens, you'll be ready to start editing. After opening Inshot, you'll see the Create New section with photo and collage. Since we want to make a split-screen video, tap on the video option. This is where you can import clips and begin editing smoothly. Now choose your first video or photo from the gallery. After selecting it, tap on the New button to continue. This first clip will become the base of your split screen, so choose the one you want to appear first. Then the media will import into the timeline. After tapping Pip, choose your second video or photo from the gallery. Once it appears on the screen, resize it and move it to one side. Then adjust the first clip to the other side so both videos appear together in split screen style. Honestly, this is where the magic happens. Once everything looks perfect, tap the Export button on the top right side. And that's it. Now you know how to create a split-screen video in Inshot easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more editing tips and comment below what video you want next. Thanks for watching.